Alright, welcome back guys. I don't have the 33, but an update on it at UP Garage. Doug messaged me and they are starting the actual building process now. I guess there's a few parts we were waiting to get on, so hopefully another couple weeks. But if not, it is what it is, but I'm super excited. We are taking out the R32 and we're gonna meet up with Tyler 2, Jay-Z. The weather's starting to change now, so we're starting to get in our fall season. So it rained last night, so I'm gonna watch the 32. I usually keep it in the garage while the 33 is gone. But as you can see, there's got a bunch of stuff in the garage. Getting ready to decorate for Halloween just around the corner. I'll be doing some long hours at work, so I just want to get started, get ahead of the game. In the meantime, picked up this Husqvarna electric pressure washer for washing the cars. Excited to try it out, so this will be the first time trying it out. And then I went ahead and bought the Griots high pressure washer this time. So because you gotta use this one for the pressure washer. So we'll see how that works. And while I'm at it, might as well finally try out the Tuner Colt car shampoo. I bought a bunch of this trying to win a 34 in their previous one. I know they have the sweepstakes to win another GTR 34. So anyways, I have a bunch of these, so might as well try it out and see if it's worth getting in those tickets. So we'll go ahead and open the garage up and we'll move the Q50 Sport out of the way and get the 32 in a proper spot to go ahead and get washed. Alright, let's get to washing, but let me show you what I did so far for Halloween. Getting the skeletons up there. Might as well just start doing the harder part first, you know? Anyways, we'll go ahead and get this all hooked up. Awesome. I must say I'm really impressed with how it works. I was able to wash the whole car, not do sections, direct sunlight, and no water spots really, even before the wiping. And yeah, well, taking it off, it almost felt like kind of waxy too, which is nice. Not bad for a quick wash, ready for the car show. And again, here you go. I got this from Costco. I can't remember, I think it's like 150, 160 bucks. Husqvarna 2000 max PSI, 1.2, perfect for cleaning cars. Hey, Mia? Mm-hmm. Yeah. She's ready for trick-or-treating, huh? Yeah. And then the foam cannon from Griots, awesome. As before, I was using the one that just hooks to a hose. 10 times better, but the hose one's still pretty good. And I must say, I'm pretty impressed with the Tuner Colt car shampoo. So if you want your ticket entries and you already have too many shirts for their car owners, go ahead and get a bunch of those because it goes by fast. But this is the best one. All right, so changed the plans. It's now like a week later. I ended up not being able to go car party thing that I was talking about earlier. Tyler's headed over here with his Supra. He's going to a car show, but he's gonna go ahead and try out the wash system. So we'll at least get footage of the Supra in this video. But on that note, great news, my GTR 33 at UP Garage. The motor is being reassembled. I guess we were waiting on the pistons or another part from HKS for the full forged bottom end. But anyways, I'll post some pictures right here. The HKS pistons and rods and stuff put back together, and the pistons are now in the block and the bottom end's redone. So we're just going through the motions, going through the steps, getting it good to go, buttoned up. I'm super excited. It's been pushed back, waiting on parts to come in, just like anything else that you order these days. Turns out I was leaking on my in-tank side, so replacing all the gaskets there, so it'll be good to go. Super pumped, excited to get that GTR back. Be sure to follow UP Garage. They are hooking me up big time on this. Oh, look who it is. What's up, Tyler?
What's up, what's up?
Dude, that thing is filthy. Oh my God. You weren't lying.
So this is what happens when you go to a car show. In fact, we actually went to Radwood on Sunday, which is an 80s and 90s show. They were hosting it at a place that Seattle people would be familiar with called Dirtfish.
Oh, you went? It was at Dirtfish.
It was at Dirtfish.
Nice.
So as you can imagine, with a name like Dirtfish, what might there be a lot of around the area? And it's not fish.
So you were learning how to rally, huh?
Yeah, basically. Rallying in and out. It rained like off and on all day. It was like straight up like clay mud coming out, and this was me driving out at like half a mile an hour and pissing everybody off. I probably would have been just covered had I just went full send.
Yeah. Yeah, we got a new driver over there.
All right, cool.
Well, this is going to be a good test on the Costco pressure washer. So this just ended up being a full review for Costco's electric pressure washer. All right, so we're about to wash it. We're just going to get started and just time lapse the whole thing. so far, see what I get. So far working pretty good. It's a good test though because my GTR 33 is white, and now we get a test on the white car. The reason why I say that is because the foam is white, you know, so it's easy to see the foam on the blue car, so it's all foamed up. But anyways, I'm pretty happy with it. We'll see what Tyler has to say about it. All right, man. So what do you think of the Costco Husqvarna electric pressure washer?
Honestly, you got the job done. I mean, we only had to wash the thing one time. It's nice because it's not like so much pressure that you're like worrying about blowing seals out or anything like that. So I think it's perfect for a car.
Yeah. And what do you think of the Griot's foam cannon?
That was actually, I mean, fun. Honestly, I need to get one of these for my own house at this point.
I know, right? It's addicting. I always wondered why I never got this before.
I mean, half the time I don't even wash my car at my house because it's just not fun.
Yeah, right. But we'll go ahead and dry it up and go from there.
Cool.
All right, guys, got her all done, cleaned up. What do you think of all the products?
Pretty good, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we were just trying all the tuner cult stuff. If you want to get your entries in all the cars they're doing, might as well, because I already bought all the shirts. So, but yeah. And I know I keep talking about it. We'll definitely feature his car full feature. We're getting one step closer though. It's just a matter of timing.
We just want to tease you first.
Yeah, that's all. A year of teasing. Because this car's always in the background at least. But yeah, got some nice stuff on there. Anyways, no shows on this one. Just give an update on the GTR, on the progress on it. Super excited for it. UP Garage. And then yeah, at least test trying all the stuff, getting nice and washed. Got the Supra washed. This was washed a few days ago, but yeah, pressure washer did good. Appreciate you coming by.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, thanks for letting me use your humble abode and all your good gear.
Dude, that's cool. Oh man, let's go hear it. It kind of just gave me a bath. There's the water in there. That's okay. All right, man.
All right, take it easy.
Yeah, drive safe.